Hello friends, today we are going to learn the new letter that is I and its words. Let's get started. So, I. I for igloo. Igloo is made and found in snow region. For example, Himalayas, Kashmir, Antarctica. The people stay over there and have fun. They click lots of photos and they keep it as a memory. Igloo is a very cool house. It is made up of snow. I. I for iguana. Iguana is an insect which is found in the jungle. I. E. I for ice cream. Ice cream is a very sweet dessert from kids to the adult and senior citizen. Everyone likes to eat the ice cream. I for island. I for infant. A newborn baby from 1 month till the 1 year, it is known as the infant. I for eyes. I for idea. I for ink. Ink is used for writing purposes which has a specific pen for it. It is known as ink pen, which is the refill is filled by the ink and we have to write it. I for insect. Hope you have liked my videos, so please do like, share and subscribe my videos, and stay tuned, stay connected and stay comment me for more such videos and more such ideas. Till then, bye bye, see you in the next video.